Okay, let me go back out to the side. So I put a homework link here. I'm doing that by, whoops, I need to turn my editing on here. If I just add an activity, or no, wait, yeah, add an activity and go up to assignment, that allows me to put one of these things right here, homework. And then if I click on one of these and I'm grading, or not really sure what the difference is there, but then I go in, they've already uploaded, they've taken pictures of their homework, uploaded. I click on grade, and it'll allow me to see this. I can rotate it if they took a picture and it's sideways or something. Um, I should be able to expand that if I want to. But here then I can click on highlighter, maybe I highlight something, maybe I say here, think about the general case, so put notes like that. Uh, I could also just do this or circle things. So it gives you quite a few options. There's probably other things here that I'm not aware of also.